Hello dear viewers, welcome back to another video. Today I watch you some colorful fish. This is looking good. This is the big fish too. I want to watch. Oh yes, this true. Playing well, playing well. Oh yes, they're taking it. Playing well. No, this way. Okay. Hey, this is. Oh, okay. This is the colorful fish. Looking good. Mashallah. Playing well. Playing well. Take it. Take it. Oh, this is gift jam. Oh, the tail is. No, you can't catch it only one hand. This way. Okay? Hey. Oh, yes. It's looking good. Mashallah, they are playing well. Oh, this is dancing. Dancing. Oh, yes. Playing well. Oh, mashallah, looking good. They're playing well. Beautiful scenery. This is. Oh, yes. This is yellow color fish. It's yellow color. The little one. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, they're playing well. I want to watch you. Another one. Oh, yes. This is looking good. Mashallah. It's fantastic. Its body is well. Another one. Looking good. Mashallah. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful scenery. Looking good. They're playing well. Wow. Oh. Beautiful fish. Yes. Yes. Oh. Why? What's the problem? Why? Oh. Mashallah, mashallah. What is your name? What is your name? Please tell your name. What is your name? You are Shiba? What is your name? Sabit. Oh. Turn catch. Oh yes. Wow. Don't. This is looking good. Mashallah, playing well. I hope you enjoyed this video. No more today. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.